Now let's call upon the stage Mohan to share his maths tricks. Good morning to all. This is Mohan, studying 4th class. I am going to explain a simple maths trick. We all go through this one question in every brand mathematics. Question, especially in newspaper, we undergo one question. What is that question? How many triangles are there in figures? There in figures. I will explain you a simple trick. Make numbering and count those numbers. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So, first figure has 3 triangles. Give the numbering for second figure. Now count those all numbers. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. 6 plus 4 is equal to 10 triangles. In this way we can count triangles easily. Count those all numbers. We will get the number of triangles. First, count upper triangles. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Count lower triangles. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. 10 plus 6 is equal to 16 triangles. Here, we wait to add the numbers. One plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 6. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 6. 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. The subscribe command element for it. 12 minus 1 is equal to 11 triangles. Will be there for these triangles. Thank you.
It's simply superb, yeah. Yeah, well done. Give him a big round of applause.